Today is April 7th. It is about 42 degrees. We are in Utah. So our actual destination for this trip is Capitol Reef National Park, and Goblin Valley State Park is actually pretty close. This park's really kid-friendly. These little goblins out here, you can like run around between them and play hide and seek. It looks pretty fun. These things are just everywhere. Do you see the dog in the head?
I do.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
That looks just like a dog.
It does.
And then that weird skeleton head thing.
Yeah, behind it.
They're just like mud, like rocks sitting on top of mud. Half of it crumbles when you touch it, and half of it's rock. That looks like a sitting Buddha. Kinda. I can see it. You see so many different things. The longer you look, the more you see. Ooh, that's soft. That's really soft. Thanks.
Badlands is very similar, but I feel like this is a lot softer. It just kind of crumbles. Where the Badlands had everywhere you went there was a very thick, hard layer just under the powder. And this is it just crumbles right off the walls.
So just kidding, we actually took a trip to Mars. Can't you tell? We're gonna go for the green bump, the little green mountain. It's slick. It's like powder. Oh, that's awesome. I don't know if this thing ever ends. So much fun to be had. There's the cars way out there. Find a good place. I don't know which way's better. This side looks nice.
To the left is what I'm thinking.
Like a pleasant little stroll down the mountain here. Nope. And yes, I'm baby stepping. Got a baby step. Just work with gravity. Whoa! A family could spend an entire day in here, easily. But also, if you're in a hurry or time crunch, I don't think you'd need to spend all day here. You can get in and out. They're all kind of the same.
Everything's unique here, but they're all the same type of formations. They're just in different shapes. If you just spent 8 or 9 hours walking around, you probably wouldn't get to every corner of it.
That's no good.
There's a foothold on the left underneath that little ledge.
Ooh. I knew I could do it. Sort of. So I could have just stair-stepped up. Apparently there's some easy stones right here. You just walk right up.
Good little gap there, but not too bad.
Fun stuff. So I think we're ready for better things. I think we're gonna move on to the next place.
This is definitely a place for families. You can bring your dogs out here.
Can you imagine Kenai out here?
Oh my goodness.
We've come off-road a little bit. There's this cool feature that's not in the national park. We've seen a lot of people going to it, but nobody really wants to say where it's at. So I won't either. But we did find it here. Glad we came out here.
I'm so thrilled to see that.